All right, guys, we are very excited because today we have a...
You make it, we skate it.
Oh my God, this is your first one.
I know, I'm so excited.
So I was at my house and then I heard this. And I said, yes. And then they said, package for you, sir. Actually.
I kind of doubt this story.
Nobody said that. I actually came home and this was there. And I actually think I might have some inkling of what this is because it says Sam Coop Art. Shout out Sam Coop Art.
Okay.
Give him a follow, but I am not totally sure what this is. Give a guess.
Okay, I think it's a skateboard.
What? Okay. Wow. What kind of skateboard?
I think it's like an artistic skateboard.
Okay, what kind? Because it's Sam Coop Art?
Yes.
Can we get any more details?
I think it has flowers on it, like, and paper mache.
Are you like a seer?
No. Yes, I am.
If I open this up and there's flowers and paper mache, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna lose my mind.
You'd be like, wait, hold on. Yeah, flowers and paper mache. The other thing about the You Make It We Skate It is you never know how, like,
fragile it is?
Fragile. I wanted to say how gentle they are.
It looks fun.
We got a note. We got a note. It's been a long time since I've read a note. Hi Braille team, my name is Sam and I'm a mixed media artist based in San Diego. I recently released a limited edition collection of
Stained glass skateboard decks.
Stained glass skateboard decks, and I couldn't think of a better crew to test one out than you guys. Thank you so much. The board I'm sending is polycarbonate and resin blending functionality with art. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds dangerous. It's made to be ridden. Oh wow.
Okay.
I take it back. That sounds so safe. I'm excited to see what tricks you can pull off and how it holds up. If you want to check out more of my work or follow along on future projects, you can find me on my website, www.samcoopart.com. Please guys, go to samcoopart.com and on social media at samcoop.art. Give her a follow at samcoopart.com. Thanks for giving my board a shot and I can't wait to see how you put it to the test. Best, Sam. Stained glass skateboard deck, instructions and care, clean. Use approved plastic cleaners, setup, usage, storage. I don't think we've ever read directions before. Why start now? Wow, look at that. That is a sick sticker. Right? Am I right?
So good.
Wow, Chloe. Wow, look at that.
You know what's weird is I actually had this as a visual
You
before, or something like this as a visual, but I didn't say it.
If this isn't flowers and paper mache, I don't know what is it.
Wow, that's so cool.
Isn't it?
How creative.
So creative. Incredible. And now I'm thinking to myself, is this one of those things where you don't grip it, you grip it? I mean, she said in the letter to do tricks.
Okay.
Now, here I am with a broken foot. Feel that.
Wow.
But feel how, you see that part?
Yeah.
See how it's like,
It's bumpy.
Really, really cool looking.
I love that.
See-through stained glass skateboard? Okay, this is amazing. You guys, I just have to say, we just have the best audience in the world. You guys are so creative. You're so incredible.
It says, due to the inherent characteristics of the polycarbonate, this deck is not suitable to ride for anyone over 185 pounds. How much do you weigh?
I'm pretty sure I don't weigh 185.
Oh, really?
Pretty sure I'm under that.
Okay, good.
What do you think?
Crazy.
Would you ride that
Yeah.
to the club?
Yeah, actually.
Okay, let's see if we can put trucks on this. Okay, I do think that this is, polycarbonate. I don't know, she said that you have to be under 185 pounds to ride it. But if I remember correctly, we got one of these polycarbonates and we did everything we could to try and break it. We couldn't break it. But this, you never know, because sometimes this plastic material will just land just right and it just bursts in half. Just snap and it's all over. Hopefully that's not the case. Okay, how do we do this meme?
Okay, so it's kind of, I guess, but there's no grip that goes on this.
Yeah, it's not that big of a deal. Can we just do it without the grip? That's a big deal.
It's a big deal because you drop it and it's gonna look so cool. You drop it.
So what could we do with no grip?
We could drop it. We could do this on there, and then we could do this on the wheels on the...
Okay, you tell me where to start.
Okay, so we start by opening these two.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure you could do it without a skate tool.
I'm pretty sure you could. Just kidding. Oh no! It's gone.
Aaron, you had one job.
So we have the wheels
So-
like that.
Okay, so open your phone.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm filming now. Okay,
Okay.
drop it. Okay, now
Okay, so now
put those in there.
it might look totally stupid, but it might look kind of cool.
Okay, good.
They're
Now
not
what?
gonna do anything.
Now
Okay.
we drop the truck on there?
Yeah,
It
now
goes
we
on?
drop the truck on there.
Okay, drop it. That's how you're gonna drop it,
Wait,
seriously?
either that or we go like this.
Okay, so new angle.
Yeah.
Go. Okay.
Okay.
This is gonna be brilliant. This is a brilliant work of art. You guys remember, follow Sam Coop Art on all social media platforms. And if you guys have a crazy board to send us, skate it at brailleskateboarding.com is the email. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. We want to see your crazy creations.
So now we drop it like this, and then and then we make it look. Hopefully that doesn't break it.
I know, that's what I was thinking too. I think it's fine. Okay,
Okay.
let it rip. Yeah, okay, go.
Ooh.
That scared the living.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay,
Didn't break it.
so now we're gonna put them on.
Yeah.
Looking pretty good, Chol.
Oh no, they don't fit.
Shut the front door.
Oh no.
You know, it's because we didn't read the instructions. Okay, except for now it says standard skateboard trucks and wheels are recommended for this product.
Yeah, come on.
Okay,
That is correct, it should fit. There's more than one way to skin a cat, Chol.
it's really weird.
Why?
Weird saying.
There's more than one way to skin a cat? Why?
Actually, I think my dad said that before.
It's just a saying. You never heard that?
I have heard it, but it is weird. It hit me.
Coming from Montana, we got all kinds of weird sayings.
Yeah.
You know what my mom says?
What does she say?
Get your poop in a group.
What does
I'm like,
that
Mom,
mean?
what does that mean exactly? My poop is in a group. Okay, see? Nailed it.
Okay, you did it.
Just like my foot, 2 screws.
Hope maybe the other side will be.
The thing that's throwing it off is this little nub.
Okay.
This nodule.
That one might fit, right?
I mean, they're gonna fit. We're gonna make this work.
Okay.
Where there's a will, there's an
a
A.
way.
Not a way, an A.
Oh, sorry. I
For
screwed
school.
it up. Where there's a will, there's an A for school. You know what? The screws are popping out. How are you gonna skate that?
With pride. So sick.
So this will be our practice round. If it's not good, then we do another one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's good though. I think we nailed this.
I think so.
Whoa! Skate or die.
So now what?
I was about to ask you a very bad question.
What was it?
No, I won't
Ask me the question.
No.
Please.
You're sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
How much do you weigh? See, I told you. I realized in my head this is you never ask. You can skate this board for sure. I stepped on it.
believe you.
I told you I was gonna say not to ask. I tried and tried.
You
Okay.
think I'm over 185?
No, of course not. But it was the part of the joke of it. But
No,
I
you
stepped
were
on
dead
there
serious.
and it bent so much. I thought it was gonna break.
Okay, let me see.
Don't step right in the middle, see? See? Yeah, go on the trucks just in case. Okay, skate it up. Sam Coop Art.
This is fakey for me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Then why did you step on like that?
Because I was just trying to step on at all.
Okay, how sick is this though?
This is really cool. I kind of like that's a little bouncy.
Yeah. I'm not getting just close enough. Ah! Yeah, it's nice, right?
Yeah, smooth.
Okay, we thought, this is just for show. This is just to like put on your wall. Nope. This is fully functional stained glass skateboard.
Stained glass.
Yeah, stained glass skateboard.
I like it.
Good. Well done. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Okay, now you can ask me the embarrassing question.
Okay, how much do you weigh?
385. And I'm gonna skateboard on the trucks. Wow. It's the worst when they call you out in the note and they say you got to do some tricks on it, because that means we actually have to do some tricks on it.
Right.
Surf the earth, bro. Okay, what tricks can be done on this?
It's probably just the simple SMS ones.
Ollie?
Yeah,
Did that ollie?
that was good. That was good.
I love that delay. Did that ollie? That was good. Yeah, that was good. Okay, let's see. 1 foot kickflip.
But
Dang it.
look how pretty the shadow is.
I
Look
know.
at that.
The shadow is like so pretty. The prettiest skateboard. Actually, maybe that's what we should title the video.
The prettiest skateboard.
The world's prettiest skateboard. If you ride a stained glass skateboard, you're allowed to mall grab. Am I wrong?
I think you're allowed to mall grab no matter what skateboard you ride.
Poser! You guys heard it first. Go to her Instagram and call her a poser. You got some tricks?
Do I have some tricks?
Yeah.
No?
Go ahead, do some tricks. How about drop in on this, actually maybe that's dangerous.
The bank?
Yeah.
I would love to.
Would you love to?
Yeah, I really would.
Okay. I'm scared. Are you scared? A little bit. I don't think she should drop in on this. Chloe, remember to bend your knees
Of course.
and remember to jump off. If you need to jump off, jump off.
Okay. Are you really worried?
Yeah? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh wow.
That was so fun.
That was so fun.
Yeah.
13 heart attacks later, you made it. Okay, that's good.
I can't believe you asked me how much I weighed.
I thought it, and then I said I'm not gonna ask you, and then you forced it out of me. So you forced it out of me. I said this is the question you never ask.
I'm still carrying some holiday weight, okay?
Okay, I have one more request for you.
Okay.
Popcorn.
Consider it done.
Okay, I'm considering it done. Let's go, Chloe, let's go. There we go, Chloe, here we go.
Ah!
Come on.
Okay, why is it harder?
You know Thanksgiving's coming up, you know what that means, right?
No.
The return of that image of me in the canoe with the gravy boat.
That's right, every year.
Every year.
Who made that?
Wow, well played. Okay,
That was really terrible.
yeah, we'll work on it. Kickflip first try, what do you give me?
Milk.
I'm fresh off an injury and I don't want no freaking milk.
For your bones.
Okay, you're right. Frick, that's scary.
You can do it.
Okay, I went over with this in an earlier video. What is the thing that motivates
Oh.
me the most?
You cannot do it.
Tell me more.
You're terrible and you're horrible and you're mean
Uh-huh.
and and your hat is funny.
Ouch!
Oh, you almost had it though.
And I almost broke it, right?
No.
Part of me is like, break your foot, break the board, which one are you gonna break? Okay, you're right, I did almost have it.
Oh.
All facts, no printer.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me that wasn't the stupidest looking kickflip of all mankind.
Okay, if I did it, would you have said that?
No, I would say that was the stupidest looking kickflip of womankind.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, dang it. Never give up. Never give up. You can land the trick. See, I think about all the kids out there that don't believe in themselves, and if they just believed in themselves, all that they could accomplish.
Yeah.
And I think if I don't show them, if I don't support them, who will?
Oh,
In this world right now, not many. I keep feeling like I see cracks and then I realize it's just the stained glass.
yeah, and it's your footprints.
Yeah, true that. Okay, right here. First try. If I land it right here, is it first try?
It is first try. You
Yes.
did it.
I did it.
You did
That's the
it.
second worst kickflip in mankind.
No, it's not.
Okay, that got me lightheaded.
Good job.
Yeah, good job.
That's a workout.
Okay, what can I do here?
You can do anything. You can do all of the tricks.
Such as?
Here, roll down the bank.
Yeah.
And then rock to fakie.
Hell
Yes, you
no.
can. Yes, you can.
Derek, please. I'm
You
not rock to
can.
faking this. On a normal board, maybe.
No, on this one.
No. Sam Coop, I love your art, but I ain't trying to die out here. Wow, you know what we should do with this?
What?
Let's make this into a surf skate.
Oh, yes.
Brilliant?
Yeah, we absolutely have to.
Oh, actually, I don't think it'll work because the setup of the hardware.
Oh, see, I don't know how to do it.
To fakie? To regular? Kickflip on the bank. Ah, dang it. Oh, I got it. No comply. Maybe I can no comply. Woohoo! Count it?
Yeah. You got it.
Half Casper.
Half Casper. Woo!
Count it?
No.
Okay, Jesus, you're tough today.
There we go. I count that.
Part of me feels like if we don't break this, we didn't really make a video.
What? I don't think there's any breaking that.
I don't think there is either. Must be impossible.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to think if there's any other tricks I can do here.
Board slide.
Yeah, I don't think I can get up to that rail though.
You don't think so though?
No, I need like a small rail, like a tiny little guy. Okay, what do you rate this board?
10
Out of
out of 10.
10 out of 10. You heard it here. Let's go, Sam Coop Art. I just want to do more tricks, but I can't.
Yes, you can, Aaron.
Can you?
Drop in.
What'd you say, drop in?
I think you could drop in. It's sturdy. It is sturdy.
You know the fear that comes into my soul with a drop in on glass?
I actually do.
Should we try here on the small side?
On the small side in the bowl?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Well, I'm definitely not doing it there. Tell you
See,
that.
I would not have let you drop in on the glass board if I was at that one spot, but this one I will.
Okay, Mom. So you think I can do this?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's scary. What if I eat it really bad?
Then you
Then you're
get
to
back
blame?
up. Yeah.
Whoa!
Aaron, commit.
Seriously? Here I have Chloe telling me to commit. This is terrifying.
It's not that bad.
Okay. Aaron, just go.
I told you. See, you could even rock to fakie.
Oh wow,
Told ya.
nailed it. Rock and roll, huh?
Yeah.
Woo! Love how my foot is sliding off.
Because no grip. Wow, that was cool.
That's all I got.
That was cool.
Thank you. I'd like to thank my mom, my grandma, and the big guy upstairs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.